Hello, and welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Kat. I am the Nurse Flipper. I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Facebook, Mercari, and Poshmark. So today was a great day. We have over $685 going out on eBay, plus we have a Mercari and Poshmark sales. So I'm going to show you all of that. And the reason I do these videos is in hopes that you will see what I am selling and look for those items, as well as items that are similar, because you might not find the same item and you can increase your sales and in turn increase your income. So let's take a look. Up first, this is a Twilight DVD. This has the 2 discs, and it also is a special edition Borders limited set, and it has cards with pictures of Edward, and there are 10 of those. This is complete like it came from Borders, and I paid $3 for it at a little local thrift store. It sold for $40.50 plus shipping. The buyer is $49.25 all in. Up next, this is The Forest Lawn Story. This is a book about Los Angeles Memorial Park. I paid less than $1. This one sold for $9.99 plus shipping. The buyer's $14.87 all in on that. I don't check a ton of books, but if I see book lots on online auctions and they look like they comp out okay, I will pick them up. Next are these 3 bowls. I already sold 5 of these. This is the last 3. These are Culinary Art Studios, and these are by Julie Engelman. These 3 sold for $26.97 plus shipping. The buyer is $55.35 in on all 3. And if you see, there are a couple of chips on this last bowl here, and I did notate that in my listing. Next is this Visit from Father Christmas. This is Stony Creek, a cross-stitch book. I paid 50 cents for this at a yard sale. It sold for $4.99 plus shipping. The buyer is $10.79 all in on that. Our Poshmark sale was a Doctor Who scarf. It sold for $18 plus shipping over on Poshmark. We sold this green and navy blue polka dotted scarf. This I put vintage sheer. It is not named, and I paid less than $1. It sold for $9.99 plus shipping. The buyer's $14.60 all in. So not too bad on the little scarf. We sold the Doctor Who scarf over on eBay as well for $14.99 free shipping, and we do make about $5 each on those. The one over on Poshmark, because it sold for $18 plus shipping, we actually are making $10 on the Poshmark Doctor Who scarf versus only $5 on eBay. Next, and I have had this forever, not forever, but over a year. This is a Victoria's Secret lined bra, and I do watch out. Some of these can actually sell really high even used, and this one, you can see there's a 32 double D, and I paid like $1 for this, either at a garage sale or thrift store. I don't remember. It's been a long time. It sold for $10.12 plus shipping. The buyer's $13.97 all in on that. Up next is 4 sets of Pokemon cards. So Brad has been watching for Pokemon cards. He found these at a Family Dollar for $2 a pack, and they sold for $30 plus shipping. Buyers $34 all in. So we're making over a $20 profit on that, and this one sale paid for all the cards we picked up that day. So not too bad. Next, and this is big. We'll see how I do picking it up. You can't see the whole thing, but this is a Schmidt workwear. It's heavy duty coveralls, and I was surprised they sold as fast as they did because they are a size small and short, so the smallest size you could get, and they sold for $39.99 in less than a week plus shipping. The buyer's $59.99 all in. I paid less than $1. I got these in a bag sale at an estate sale, and you'll see another pair that sold as well. that is similar that I picked up at the same bag sale. So if you see like the tan, and you'll see the next one is Carhartt brand, like workwear lined heavy stuff, I would pick it up, especially if you can get it cheap, even up to like $5, maybe even $7. You will make a good profit. This one we are making over a $35 profit on. Next is this mag eyes. So this is to wear while people are quilting or doing work. This was my mom's. She never opened it. And if you see though, like the original price there is only, the original price was $43.95. I was thinking it was $13.95. So $43.95. Hopefully my mom did not pay that much, but it sold for $22.49 plus shipping. The buyer's $30.49 all in on that. This is a vintage one, so it's probably been around a while and it's not being sold anymore. So they do sell pretty well. It's been listed about 2 months, so not horrible, and we will split the profits on this with my mom. Next are these overalls. These are Carhartt, which is a great brand. There you go. That's your Carhartt sign. And this color is very typical for a lot of Carhartt clothes. These have like the twist little overall snaps. These are a size 48 by 30, and they actually sold over on Mercari for $46. And we have less than $1 in again from the same estate sale, and it looks like our profit after shipping and fees with Mercari is $29, so a $28 profit on. Also over on Mercari, we sold this eucalyptus paraffin wax. It was $12.99 and it sold for $9. I think I got this inside of a like wax warmer thing for like paraffin wax, and I don't have very much in. It sold for $9. We make $2.94, so kind of breaking even, but at least it's gone. Next on eBay is this hat. This is a vintage flying fisherman, and there is your tag. That is the actual brand. It sold for $15 free shipping. I paid $1 for this, so we will make about a $9 profit. Follow me over on Instagram. You will have seen this. This is a great profit. Probably about $200, very close to it, on one item. So I was thinking this would be one of the concerned shipping, and I just thought it was kind of poking out. So I might take kind of individually so it doesn't get broke. But I paid $86 for that. It sold in 3 days from when I listed it for $299 plus shipping. The buyer's $369.99 all in. So very close to a $200 profit. I have said it a lot recently, but I'll say it again. I'm definitely trying to get my average sales price up because I would like to make more per item. Still probably will not pass up those really amazing deals on lots with, you know, a bunch of $10 to $20+ items. But I definitely do want to start sourcing more items like this where I am making a high dollar profit per item. Again, $685 going out, and I am probably going to add on either some sourcing or a few more sales for you guys after this. All right, so I'm on my way to work. I am working 12 hours today on Sunday when you will see this, and I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I picked up at the flea market yesterday. I didn't get any coverage of it just because I had Dalton and there was a lot going on, but I think I found some great bolos and I want to share them with you. If you don't know, a bolo is be on the lookout for, so that is the whole reason I show my solds, but I wanted to show you guys these first because you might see them before they sell. So, and this, I don't know if it's a bolo, this first one, but I think this is really cute. This little speckled duck cup. I believe it is hand painted with the dragonfly there. So really cute little cup. And then same with this one, I just liked it, but it was 50 cents, and it's a really cute little blue peacock vase with the gold trim. This is Cloison, which I've been telling you guys I think can be a major bolo. Paid $2.50 for 2 of these, and I believe they will sell for about $40 for the pair. So this is Cloison. You can see again the painting and the colors in between. And I believe this is a male and female pair. The other one has the wings, but really cute little trinket dishes. And $2.50 was too great to pass up on that. These are not from the flea market. I got these from an online auction. If you watched my live show this past Tuesday, I was talking about the auction service that overcharged me for shipping because they shipped to me in a larger than 12 by 12 by 12 box. These books were in it. So this is Trixie Belden. These are from the 50s and the 60s. And I did get a set. So I had 1 through 15 and 2 was missing. And I could have sold it like that, but instead, once I won them, I went ahead and purchased number 2, which was the missing book, off of eBay from another seller. And I did see a completed listing that sold for $150 that only had numbers 4 through 15. I have 1 through 15, so it is complete, and I have them listed at $200. So when you see books that are in a series, I'll show you here. Like these have the numbers up there, you can see. When you see older books in a series, I would definitely look them up and check them out. And I do want to give a shout out to Dom, Primetime Treasure Hunter, because he is who put me onto this and the reason that I found these. And then, if you are not aware already, this is a little miniature perfume here. This is Beverly Hills. I'm not sure if I can get the name there, but this is Beverly Hills Gale Lamond, I think. But I'm not sure why, but the one with the black dots up there seems to sell for more. I have it listed pretty high. I think I have it listed close to 100. I'm hoping I can get 50. Did see sold comps at 40. And if you find a display piece, so a display one of this that was like 6 or 7 inches, sold for over $300. So check little perfumes, and some of them can be major bolos. Sometimes even for just the bottle, not with perfume in it. This little guy I got at the same place. I got the little Cloison ducks. So this is a cute little turkey trinket box. And it's kind of cool. You open him up and he's got turkey and pumpkins inside and the really beautiful orange enamel there. So I did find sold comps on him for over 40. I paid $2.50 for him too. They gave me the ducks and him for 2 for $5. And I should get at least 40 for him. The only ones I found listed right now are listed at like 50 and 60, and I think I priced right around there as well. This is heavy. The next thing I am going to show you, this is McCall's, and this isn't recipe cards, it's little recipe books, but I paid $5 for this, and I think I should get around $50. So this is right up there with those red and white checkered Betty Crocker and Better Homes and Gardens cookbooks. Also, the little recipe cards sell for even more. I did get 3 teacups, but I am only going to show you one just because I have to get to work. I'm going to show you a teacup and then one other thing that is a major bolo. So this is a really pretty, and I did put in the title Tiffany Blue because this is very Tiffany blue color. This is Ansley, which is an amazing brand to keep an eye out for. And this is the cup, and you can see the inside there is blue roses. And this one I should get about $50 for. I got 3 teacup sets for $7. So a little over $2 into this, and I think I'll get at least 40 bucks for the one. The other 2 aren't amazing, but I got the so cheap deal because I bought that little bundle. And the last thing, and this guy was with the person who had the Cloison ducks and the turkey. And oh, one other thing I'm going to show you guys, and if you want to buy this next thing, you can, because I'm going to re-wholesale it. So this is a bronze rabbit. It is not marked, but keep an eye out for bronze sculptures and statues. He has this really cool bronze tray. So I can only find one like him. I can't find any more. And the one that is like him is listed at $269. I only paid $10 for him. So keep an eye out for bronze statues and figurines. And I just got that stinky perfume on my finger. Yeah. Anyways, so I gotta clean my hand. That stuff stinks. So, so keep your eye out for bronze. A lot of bronze sculptures can bring big money, and you do have a pretty good chance of finding them at garage sales, estate sales, thrift stores, etc. So, last thing, and you will be watching this probably while I will be at work, which means these will not be in my big cartel store. So if you're watching this and you would like to buy these buttons, you can tell me in the premiere, first person that says it, or you can message me on Instagram and tell me you want these. So I think I'm going to do $40 free shipping for these, and I will put them in a padded flat rate. But this is over 40 really cool, like vintage, like beer. There's also some like casino buttons, and the ones that I saw dates on are all from 1990. So Ice House. There's just a bunch of really cool buttons. And I looked up comps and I can't find most of them, but I really feel like you could get like $7 plus shipping each, or like maybe even 10 to 15 if they're cool and you wanted to start out pricing high. So I'm going to sell, I think there's probably 30 to 40, and I'm going to sell them for $40 ship, under $1, and I think you can make well over $200 on those. So let me know if you want those buttons. That's going to wrap it up. I am headed off to work today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you had a great weekend. Do not forget to come and hang out with us on Tuesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will have Aaron Rebel Junk and Dale DLJ from PA hang out with me on Tuesday night, and we do live shows every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then, guys. Bye.
She's the
Sorry, you can't think I'm Santa.
Okay, turn around, sit down. Turn around, sit down.
They're like, we're just gonna sit.